It may not be very popular among tourists because it has not been well discovered yet, but it is one of the places worth visiting because it is distinguished by its historical regions and cities. In addition to the wonderful beaches, parks, and wonderful atmosphere. Which country do I mean? Albania. It is one of the countries of the Balkan region located in southeastern Europe. It is bordered to the northwest by Montenegro, to the northeast by Kosovo, to the east by the Republic of Macedonia, to the south by Greece, to the west by the Adriatic Sea, and to the southwest by the Ionian Sea. Its emblem is a black two-headed eagle. The official language is Albanian. The most common religion in Albania is Islam, and the second most common religion is Christianity. Orthodox, Catholic, Protestant. Government, secular parliamentary republic. Its currency is the Albanian lek. The best tourist places in Albania. 1. Saranda City. It is one of the most important tourist places in Albania due to its many sandy beaches and diving places. Tourists can enjoy walking on the sandy beach that extends for miles. It's the beautiful Saranda. It is called the City of 1,000 Windows. 2. Berat City. It is one of the cities included in the World Heritage List, and it is considered one of the best tourist destinations in Albania that you can go to. It is considered distinguished by its heritage architecture and contains Berat Castle, which is more than 2,400 years old. It is one of the historical and cultural cities located in Albania. 3. Shkodra City. It overlooks the Alps and Lake Skarda in a stunning view that you should not miss. Upon arriving at the lake, you can rent canoes to enjoy the splendor of the beautiful atmosphere and picturesque views. 4. Doros Amphitheater. It is considered one of the most prominent and beautiful heritage sites, not only in Albania, but in the Balkan region, and is located in the city of Darsate. 5. Butrint National Park. The park is located in the city of Butrotum and is characterized by its distinctive scenic views, as it is located near Lake Butrint, which makes you enjoy a wonderful time in the middle of nature. Tirana is the capital of Albania and includes many tourist places worth visiting, as it has the National Museum of History, which is located in the center of the city. There is also the Adham Bey Mosque in Tirana, which is distinguished by frescoes, engravings, drawings, and Islamic decorations. This mosque was built in 1790 and its construction was completed in 1820 AD. One of the most beautiful places to visit in Albania is the Riviera, which is the name given to the coastal strip, as it is characterized by a group of wonderful sandy beaches with turquoise blue waters, such as 1. Samel Beach,
2. Borsh Beach, 3. Potami Beach, 4. Lukova Beach.
Best time to visit Albania in the autumn and spring seasons. due to the wonderful weather suitable for tourism. This is not all. In other videos, we will talk about these beautiful cities in detail.
Because they are truly worth knowing and visiting.